Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on this Wednesday morning. Beautiful start to our morning. Temperatures in the 50s and lower 60s. Very pleasant temperatures thanks to that drier air that's in place. We had a cold front come through yesterday. That front sits to our south now, so it's not nearly as warm out there this morning. And we'll see kind of a mix of clouds and sun today with mostly dry conditions. Now, late this afternoon, we may start to see some thunderstorms this afternoon in the Sandhills region. And by 5 o'clock, may sneak as far southeast as the Tri-Cities area here. Now, as we get into this evening, I'll keep a 20% chance of rain and thunderstorms going before midnight tonight for the Tri-Cities area. Better chances will be out towards the west. We are going to have to watch for that threat of severe thunderstorms for western parts of the Local 4 viewing area. Now, later in the night, that chance of rain and thunderstorms might get a little lower, but then start to pick up by tomorrow morning. It's not out of the question we see some morning thunderstorms and possibly some morning severe weather as well. We might get a break from the activity, but more rain and thunderstorms are expected to come through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And once again, severe weather and heavy rainfall is a possibility. Now, as we get later into the nighttime hours, after about 10 o'clock or so, I think our chances of rain and thunderstorms quickly go away. So past midnight, Thursday night, our chances of rain are pretty slim. For most of your Friday looks to be a dry day. I think we might see a stray shower, thunderstorm, but better chances will come in Friday evening, Friday night, and severe weather once again would be a possibility. Now, the Storm Prediction Center's outlook, and this will be updated here in about an hour here at 8 o'clock this morning, does have a risk of severe weather from about the Tri-Cities westward. Chances are greater the farther west you go. Right now, the Panhandle and eastern Colorado, that's where the best chance of severe weather is. We'd be looking at very large hail. I think that's your primary threat. An isolated tornado, not out of the question, and maybe some damaging wind gusts. But even again, in western parts of the Local 4 viewing area, you're going to have to watch that threat. You saw that map there, which actually kept the Panhandle dry and kept most of the storms in that slight risk area. So we're going to have to watch that slight risk area. The marginal risk area, again, the chances are lower, but not nil. So there is still a small chance of some severe weather. I think Thursday, more of a widespread threat of severe thunderstorms. Most of us are under a slight risk of severe weather. And not only will we see that chance later in the day, but it's not out of the question we see some morning severe thunderstorms. A lot of schools are getting underway tomorrow. I know some schools have already started, but a lot of schools are getting under session starting off tomorrow. While getting to school tomorrow morning, might be a little severe weather out there, something worth watching, but the better chance of severe storms will come later on tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. But after midnight, that chance quickly dwindling down. Now, I think most of our day Friday is actually going to be a dry one out there, but later in the day and into Friday night, our chances of storms will pick up a little bit, and there could be some severe weather once again. Right now, I would really target the southeastern areas for the best chance, kind of these areas right here would be your best chance of severe thunderstorms as we get towards Friday evening. So while we do have most areas under a threat, your best chance, I think, would be across the southeast. Now to temperatures, which are cooler today. We're starting off very pleasant this morning. We'll see highs today, mid to upper 60s and lower 70s. Tomorrow, or tonight I should say, upper 50s and lower 60s for lows. Tomorrow's temperatures, similar to today, mid and upper 70s and lower 80s, maybe some mid 80s off to the southwest, and just hinting at slightly warmer temperatures as we get into your Friday. Upper 70s, lower to mid 80s for high temperatures on your Friday afternoon. We'll continue to see those temperatures inch up as we get into the weekend, but first these next 3 days, again, some increasing chances of rain later on tonight and especially during the day tomorrow. Pretty good chance of rain. It could be a couple of waves of rain and thunderstorms that comes through. So some flooding not out of the question, some severe weather also possible. Much of your Friday dry. Another slight chance of rain and thunderstorms Friday night, very early on Saturday morning. Saturday mostly dry again, and then a small chance of rain and thunderstorms Saturday night. After that, I did not include any chances of rain and thunderstorms in the forecast. Monday night into Tuesday might be a little iffy, but as of right now, I'm going with 0 chance. We'll see. That chance may get bumped up to a 20% chance in the coming days ahead. But you'll notice temperatures are going to start to increase a little bit through the weekend, back to around our average high, and then maybe a little above average Monday and Tuesday, and the humidity is going to start to return to the area too, so it could feel a little more humid out there by early next week. The long-range temperature trends are going to be a little closer to, if not above average, after these next several days. So we're not done with summer yet. Granted, it won't be super hot out there, but it will certainly be much warmer and more humid by the time we push into the weekend, and especially next week. So With that, I'll let you all go. Thank you all for watching this morning. I do appreciate it very much. We'll see you all again on your Thursday morning. Until then, enjoy your beautiful, it should be a beautiful Wednesday out there. Take care, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.